Mukha akong weather reporter na nililipad ng puwersa ng kalikasan. Tayo nilalamon ng karagatan, Keme.
We are here in Katiklan.
Wala pa.
Wala po pala.
Hey guys, it's another adventure for us because this week we are in Boracay. I know that last week we just went to Bangkok, but this trip has been actually booked way back in January. In fact, mas nauna pang i-book itong Boracay na to versus yung Bangkok trip ko with my elementary and my high school friends. We have been really planning this since January because I got this when Cebu Pacific had their seat sale. I got the tickets for me and my parents really at a really low price. It's currently our day 3. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-film guys nung una at pangalawang araw namin because the weather isn't really giving. I trusted the universe that it's going to be okay in August because the last time I was here was August of 2024. The only difference is that we were here 3rd week or 4th week of August. Right now, it's the 1st week of August. So I'm not sure if that really made a big difference, but I know that these months are what we call the habagat season in the Philippines and really maulan. But I really just trusted the heavens na bibigyan kami ng magandang weather this week. But I guess I didn't win this time kasi madilim at malakas yung hangin. So I'm just really grateful na it doesn't really rain non-stop all throughout the day. But may mga moments na umuulan pero hindi naman sobrang lakas. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba, it's our day 3 and wala pa akong nakikitang magandang sunset so far. Which is, honestly, you know, it's one of the things na inaabangan dito sa Boracay and hindi pa ako nabibless or hindi pa kami nabibless because I also want my parents to witness that. Kasi alam niyo naman maganda yung sunset dito sa Boracay but unfortunately hindi pa kami nabigyan ng magandang sunset. I also want to experience Parao once again. I also want my parents to experience that even though I know that my mom particularly, she has some phobia. Hindi naman phobia pero parang medyo takot siya sa dagat kapag, you know, sobrang maalon. But I wanted them to experience that. Kasi, again, the last time na ginawa namin yung Parao, it was okay. Dahil hindi naman sobrang lakas ng alon and very kalmado. And actually, dahil nga kasi walang bagyo at that time. We're just really waiting for the bad weather to go away. So, you guys already know I traveled with my parents. It's their first time in Boracay. I'm grateful that we get to experience this together dahil yun nga, unang beses nila pumarito. The last trip that we had was Baguio. It was also their first time. This is my second time but I'm happy that, you know, I get to experience these things with them. It's currently our day 5. I'm very happy to say na we are finally blessed with a great weather. Sobrang lakas pa rin ng hangin but I'm just really happy that wala nang ulan. Even pang 5 araw na namin dito. And we're going back to Manila on Tuesday. So I'm hoping na we have this whole day that it's going to be sunny, and tomorrow is going to be sunny as well, kasi if not, malulungkot ako na yung last day namin ay magiging maulan. Pero so far today, maganda naman yung weather, and ang dami na nagsaswimming ngayon here sa Station 1. So makikita nyo, ayan na yung mga tao, nagsisilabasan na sila. We were talking with our photographer this morning, and he said na yung mga gigs daw niya ipon kasi previously nung mga nakaraang araw sobrang lakas ng ulan, so wala talagang nag-a-avail ng mga photoshoot. But right now, sobrang ganda na ng weather. In fact, may mga nagsasurfing na. Ang wish ko lang today, guys, and I mentioned this yesterday, that we will be able to do Parao, kasi I want my parents to experience that. And also, sana maganda yung sunset today. Giving naman ang outfit natin today, nalilipad lang yung scarf ko. Mukha akong weather reporter na nililipad ng puwersa ng kalikasan. So, ang lakas ng hangin, but again, not still very happy kasi nga wala nang ulan. So, araw na lang pero malakas pa rin yung hangin. Ayan o, mga kapamilya, tayo po ngayon ay nasa mata ng bagyo. Tayo nilalamon ng karagatan. Keme. Ito po si Doris Bigornia, ang inyong mutya ng masa. It's almost 3 p.m. and I'm walking on the shore going to Station 2 kasi ang amats ko naman today ay mag-matcha hopping. Hindi ko sure kung nakita niyo sa IG story ko noong nakaraan. I went to Smooth Cafe sa may Bulabog Beach and I ordered their matcha latte, and wala siyang lasa. Hindi ko talaga siya nainom, and I provided feedback dun sa barista nila kasi honestly, hindi talaga giving yung matcha nila. But guys, yung pupuntahan kong matcha ngayon, I think it's in Station 2. Ang na-mention ng mga TikTok people ay masarap daw yung coconut matcha kasi that's their bestseller. Sa naalala ko, nag-coconut matcha ako before sa Mega Mall, yung super matcha. Masarap siya. But hindi ko siya susubukan ngayon yung coconut matcha kasi I wanna try the ube matcha. Dahil sabi nila yun daw yung isa pa sa mga masarap.
Kasi naubos nyo na daw yung bilhin nyo kagabi. Dali mountain. Okay na to. Ha?
Guys, 60 grams po yan, mami. Number 60 lang po na.
It's almost 3 o'clock. We are back in Manila. Nagki-claim lang kami ng luggage. It's been a great week in Boracay with my parents, and I'm just again really happy that I got to experience this another memory together with them. I'm hoping na we get to do more trips together as they grow older. If you ever reach this part of the video, thank you so much for watching the entire vlog. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in my next adventure. Mwah.